There's a what?
I should have made that joke. I'm annoyed now. That's sad.
There are lots of infinite colors.
They got scrub
What,
babies.
now, what were they making Asian scrub daddy?
Scrub babies.
I'm sorry, in Asian scrub daddy would be scrub babies.
Limited edition SpongeBob Crub Daddy on brand.
No, I wasn't talking about that.
You want me to link them to you?
Limited edition SpongeBob Crub Daddy.
Can I ask a serious question?
Oh fuck.
What's the difference between scrub daddy and scrub
Barbecue
baby? They look the bloody
Daddy.
same.
I know what I'm
Size down
buying.
12.5% to fit
Oh
small
my god.
hand.
You fucking scrub baby for that.
Crub.
Oh my god. They need to make a
Even if-
scrub camel.
They have a eraser mommy and a 6-count dry erase marker kit.
What the hell is the difference between a
They have
razor
erasers?
mommy and a scrub mommy? Actually, now that we're on the topic of it,
The Scrub Daddy soap dispenser. Yeah, I want that. I like the soap dispenser.
Any scrub homies in here?
Yo, where the scrub homies at?
There's a screen daddy now for your
of
phone.
course there is. Of course there is.
Screen Daddy?
They can just make it daddy.
Daddy's home.
Daddy's home.
No.
They have Scrub Daddy pool floaties.
Oh, they
Maybe
Daddy's
buy
ready for a
one
take.
for a hot tub
Dude.
stream.
Yo, I'd buy one just to have fucking laying around.
Dude, you're gonna get scrub daddies ordered everywhere now. Alright, someone throw a tennis ball at him for my little scrub daddy commercial.
Is that how this works now, dude?
Are you sure about that? I mean, I asked before and they threw like 15 fucking tennis balls at you. That was just a flat out assault at that point. I want to see that again. That shit made me laugh so hard.
There's a seasonal scrub daddy subscription box.
They got a box?
Hold on.
Yeah,
A
there is.
seasonal
For
scrub
every
daddy
year,
subscription
a
box.
Scrub
How
Daddy
many-
gets
how
thrown
many
at a
scrub
random
daddies does one
citizen,
need?
forever blessing their
$14.99
kitchen
for every
and
3 months.
themselves.
Oh my god, that is funny.
Static. Oh, we have an octopus one for summer shape.
What the hell is that? Octopus shaped scrub daddy.
What do you... I literally have like 10 tomatoes on this right now.
You mean 10 dodgeballs?
Okay, I'm literally about to make the...
No, I think she means Scrub Daddy.
They should do a
Scrub
scrub
Daddy.
Pepe.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the tomatoes.
No.
Okay, yeah, you're right on that, actually. Oh, fuck, dude. Yo, Corrupted. What's up, Corrupted?
Asterisk.
Corrupted, my unpaid intern and head of content. We're full of danger. We're full of danger today, Corrupted. That's because you... That's because you call me Coom a lot. And Coomrag.
Coom on the face of a therapist.
I've done that. I got kicked out of the office.
It was a reference.
You coomed on
Those
the...
who know.
Danger is pure content.
True, dude. How many was that? Thank you, Chef.
31.
Hell yeah.
And you're clicking in the back of my head trying to talk. And I got scammed because nothing hit. Nothing won.
Yeah, it's gotta be exact numbers. Or it doesn't go off.
Me?
No, I'm not kidding.
That's bullshit.
Did you add glitter to the background? Oh yeah, did you add glitter?
I mixed it in, but like I don't see that shit. So
Really?
they're scamming me.
Yeah, this tomat people.
Hey guys, just so you know,
Cheer, cheer,
Camel has
cheer,
a
cheer, cheer,
computer
cheer, cheer,
somewhere-
cheer,
oh
cheer,
my
cheer,
God.
cheer, cheer,
Oh, God.
cheer, 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 cheer.
Dude, what are you throwing up?
Yo, Max. Where you see a penis, dude?
Whoa! That. Look at him. He's like,
Cheer,
he's like
cheer,
dodging the
cheer.
fucking ping pong
I
ball.
love Chef.
Oh my god.
I love it too, Cuddle. AKA Young G Fuel. I didn't realize it was you. Of course, Rod, I've heard penis and per time.
He's asking where you're gonna draw the penis.
You had no idea that was
Hi.
me.
Wait.
I was high yesterday and I was like, yo, Young G Fuel. And then I realized when you turned around, you had your back to the camera, to be fair.
Yeah, send Redive.
Where are you going to draw
Send
the penis
Redive.
at?
Aha,
Who, what
weed.
did you take?
I must pee, but you're coming with me.
Hey, just so we can get a gauge on when he's gonna start flying out to people and cooking them dinner, how many channel points do you guys have?
Cake has already redeemed it.
Wait, what?
That's why it's more expensive now. She already redeemed it once.
Did you do it?
I got paid.
No, not yet.
Are you gonna do it?
I mean, at some point within the next, maybe like, some point between now and
Fat
like
cloud, or did you eat
10 years from now.
Sometime
The
between now and when
It'll
you
happen.
yes.
Okay.
Wait, what did I just hear?
Alright, Rative, what you need